In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a shine effect on icons in Premiere Pro. Import your desired icon and go to the Effects panel, type Lighting in the search box. Double-click the lighting effect to add. Scroll down and increase the ambience intensity to 100. Now under the lighting effect, click on the 4-point polygon mask. Drag the mask away from the icon and change the shape to a rectangle. Now click on the stopwatch icon next to mask path to create a keyframe. Then move forward by 20 or 30 frames and set another keyframe. Click on the mask 1 to reveal the mask and drag it to the other side of the icon. To apply the effect to more icons, simply select the effect, press Ctrl+C to copy, choose the desired layer, and press Ctrl+V to paste. If the shine is barely visible on your icon, try increasing the exposure to 100, surface gloss to 100, and decrease the surface material to -25. As you can see, the shine is visible now. And that is it. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.